Sales is an art and science that requires continuous learning and adaptation to stay ahead of the game. If you're just stepping into the world of sales or looking to sharpen your skills, numerous resources are available to help you on your journey. One of the most convenient and effective ways to learn is by watching sales training videos. So today we'll explore 4 highly effective sales training videos for beginners, helping you kickstart your sales career. So without further ado, let's jump right in. You can't discuss effective sales videos without mentioning the famous Sinek's TED Talk, Start With Why. It's a must-watch for anyone looking to understand the foundational principles of sales and leadership. In his talk, he discusses the Golden Circle, a 3-tiered model consisting of 3 circles: why, how, and what. He then emphasizes the importance of why behind your product or service, which can significantly influence customers' buying decisions. He also introduces the law of diffusion and innovation, which illustrates how different types of people adopt new ideas and products at different stages. And lastly, he showcases real-life examples. Ultimately, his talk provides a solid foundation for beginners to grasp the essence of sales and marketing. Next, Colleen Stanley's Prezi video presentation on virtual sales training and coaching is a timely research for those adapting to the digital age of sales. The growing trend of remote work and virtual selling, Stanley's insights are invaluable. She discusses virtual selling and sales leadership myths, how your beliefs can impact results, and why it's difficult to apply sales training and practice. She presents her information in a highly engaging format using the Prezi video functionality that allows the viewers to see what she's presenting alongside her on screen. Art Zobac's video provides practical advice for salespeople looking to move away from traditional cold calling and adopt a smarter, more strategic approach. As he says, cold calling isn't just dying, it's always been dead. He discusses the difference between a warm lead and cold calling and how to make this type of approach more personal and minimize resistance. He also shares tips on building relationships that lead to successful sales. Ultimately, Zobac's video is a valuable resource for beginners aiming to improve their prospecting techniques. Lastly, Neil Wood's Prezi video on what sales winners do differently offers a quick look at the Rain Group's extensive research that interviewed hundreds of buyers and asked what the attributes are of the top salespeople they do business with. In this video, Neil lists the top 5 attributes that separate top performers from the rest. He provides practical insights into identifying customer needs, building trust, and closing deals. This video is perfect for quick yet highly effective and actionable advice for anyone looking to up their sales game. Learning through video content is not only convenient, but also highly effective, as it combines visual and auditory learning styles. The use of visual aids, storytelling, and real-life examples in these videos make them engaging and memorable, allowing beginners to absorb and easily apply the concepts. And creating your own sales training videos has never been more accessible. Prezi is an excellent tool for learning and content creation. It allows you to combine live video with dynamic visual content using the Prezi video functionality. Try it out for yourself by clicking the link right here. The 4 videos we mentioned, along with the Power of Prezi video, provide excellent opportunities to learn and create sales training content effectively. Discover more sales training videos in the description box below and share your recommendations in the comment section. I'm Naba from Prezi's marketing team, and I wish you success in learning new sales skills through these and many other videos. Have fun and see you next time!